In this video, we will talk about 8 secrets to make a woman think about you non-stop. So let's start the video. 1. Keep a hint of mystery around you. If you want to keep things spicy and adventurous, do not spill all the beans in one go or use all your A cards at once. This keeps her hooked and encourages her to keep unraveling the layers of your persona. 2. Don't always be there. Of course, you may believe that no other guy will be able to squeeze in as long as you're stuck to her. But if you're always there, you look desperate and not to mention very clingy. 3. Tickle her funny bone. When women say they want someone to be the Chandler to their Monica, what they mean is that they're looking for someone who is easy to be around and fills their life with laughter. Let the giggles do the job for you. 4. Shared interests. Find common interests and activities you both enjoy. Engaging in shared hobbies or experiences can help you bond and create memorable moments together. 5. Give her a surprise. A woman needs to feel special if you want her to think of you. And with this trick, she won't just be thinking about you, but will be telling all her friends what a great person you are. 6. Show your vulnerable side. It's sexy knowing that a guy can be vulnerable. Women understand your emotion even if you try to hide them. 7. You are still your first priority. You are still your own person, and they are only one part of your life, not all of it. Lead your own life and let her see that you have other things that matter and take up your time. 8. Be attentive to tiny details. You don't have to remember her birth date, but remembering which fictional character is her favorite will fetch you brownie points. If you do remember these seemingly small details that are important to her. Remember, most men don't understand the basic raw nature of women. That's why they ended up in a mess every time.